Hi everyone, welcome and welcome back to JUENFO Kitchen, where we just enjoy food. So let's enjoy some Sorrel Pineapple Drink. Alright guys, so as promised, I'm back with another sorrel drink recipe. So I have my sorrel here that I've already washed, and to it I'm going to add some pineapple peels and scrapses. So what I did, I just saved my pineapple peels from 2 large pineapples that I had, because I know that I wanted to use them in this recipe. And I did wash my pineapples before peeling in order to remove any dirt and impurities. Next, I'm going to add some ginger, which I peeled and crushed. Peeling the ginger is optional. Of course, you can leave the skins on if you want to. I'm also going to add this orange peel for some extra flavor. And lastly, some water. So I don't usually add cloves to my sorrel, but I really wanted to try in this recipe. But for some reason I can't find them. I remember picking them up at the supermarket, but they probably got left there because I can't seem to find them. So I'm gonna leave them out for today. So that's 5 liters of water. Now I'm gonna cover and allow this to come to a boil. Okay, so now that this has come to a boil, I'm going to allow it to boil for a total of 5 minutes. And this smells so amazing, guys. You can definitely smell the pineapple with the sorrel, the hint of the ginger and the orange. This smells so good. And just look how rich this color is already. Alright guys, so I decided to allow this to boil for twice as long because the pineapple skins are a lot tougher than the sorrel, and I really wanted them to soften up for us to extract as much of that flavor. So now I'm gonna turn my flame off, and I'm gonna pour this back into our pot. We had a little bit too much water in there and it started to boil over, so I had to remove some. And what I'm gonna do next is to just cover this and allow this to steep overnight. Now you can actually strain and sweeten this once it has cooled down, but I personally like to let it sit overnight in order to allow all those flavors to come together. Now it's the following day and our sorrel has cooled down. I'm gonna go ahead and strain this. The ginger flavor isn't as intense as I would like it to be, so what I did was to just save back the same ginger that we used to prepare the sorrel. And I'm gonna use some of this same liquid to blend it and extract more of that ginger flavor. Of course, this is not a must. You can definitely leave yours as is. And then finally, I'm gonna be sweetening with some sugar. So today I'm using granulated sugar, but brown sugar works just as well. Now I've added 2 cups of sugar, but remember to sweeten according to your taste. Also, I'm not going to be adding any rum to this one, but you can definitely add your rum if you'd like. Store this in your fridge immediately and serve well cold. You can add ice if you want, although I personally prefer mine without. Check out this other sorrel drink video, which I'll leave on the screen here if you haven't done so as yet, as well as this playlist here with a few other Jamaican Christmas holiday favorites. Like, share and subscribe for more delicious recipes. Thanks for watching, and until next time, live life to the fullest and just enjoy food.